Lightweight 1.8 kilogram and 15mm thin Teclast F15 laptop made of the metal. Fantastic design, platinum color combination, 7mm narrow bezel slim design and eye-catching 15.6-inch IPS screen. Smooth and comfortable 15cm horizontal and 8cm vertical huge touchpad with 5 sets of common interface such as 2 USB 3.0, HDMI, micro SD card, DC jack and the earphone jack. For the price of $430 with a 35 off discount price range, this laptop caught in our eye, and that's why I am in the laptop. Inside the device works Intel N4100 Quad Core, the 4 computing cores clock with the base rate of 1.1 GHz and the boost mode up to 2.4 GHz. The 4 computing cores and the quad core processing maximum high efficiency power for the price range laptop. The Teclast F15 notebook is equipped with 9th generation integrated Intel UHD 600 graphics for powerful 4K video decoding and encoding work. The GPU is only suited for some very low demanding games like the one I'm playing here. For beginners and average video editors, 15.6-inch screen and Intel UHD 600 GPU, SSD memory, 8GB RAM, F15 laptop is good enough. Playing 4K videos runs without any problem. The RAM is 8GB DDR4, is soldered to the main board and cannot be extended, but the memory can be extendable. The built-in 255 6GB SSD reads with the 300 MB. Such good results can be hardly found on comparable devices. Screen size and type also matter when buying a laptop. For web surfing and the office work, 15.6 inches are good enough. The IPS screen and 1920 by 1080 pixels, 18:2% screen to body ratio gives a good visual experience. Black looks deep and so far the color seems good at first glance. For the average consumer, it looks absolutely fine. Top and side bezels are slim, giving the F15 modern look. And also 1 megapixels camera for photos and face-to-face chat allow you to chat with your friends. No matter what you do on your computer, you will want to type with comfort. Teclast F15 use keys with a white lettering. The keyboard layout comes in the typical QWERTY design. The keyboard has backlighting and 2 adjustment modes. And the pressure point, the writing feels very good. The touchpad is big, it supports all relevant features like multi-touch and pinch to zoom. As a laptop is portable device, so should have a decent battery life. 5500 Li-ion polymer battery for web surfing and the watching movies is last for 4 to 5 hours and the charging time is up to 3 hours. The operating system on this laptop is Windows 10 Home. It comes pre-installed, so you don't have to purchase a new Windows license. Windows 10 in the English language. If you need another language, you may download via Wi-Fi. Teclast F15 is cheap, especially now with 35% discount off. You can get the laptop via the link in description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.